Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 13, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of the screen twice, which will show you a bunch of toggles at the bottom right here. And on one of the pages, as there is multiple, you should have power saving mode or battery saver visible. Let's see if I can actually find it. Oh, there we go. So power saving mode is right here in the corner for me. Once you see yours, you can just simply tap on it. This will obviously turn it on, changes the battery color right here to signify that it is enabled. And the reason you might be interested, because apart from saving battery, as the mode would imply, it's going to do a couple things in the background. Now let's see if there's any information regarding that. So power saving settings, we have automatically exit power saving mode. So no, that's not important. Learn more. There we go. So optimization details. Here is basically a list of optimizations that will happen when power saving mode is enabled, and some of them will be visible, like for instance changing from the high refresh rate to just 60 frames and having the screen time off at 15 seconds, also disabling background syncing, and most importantly, if I can actually find it, there should be something regarding the not hotspot, limit background activity, so that could imply what I'm going to mention in a second, and disable background syncing. So this section right here could possibly imply the changes in the network settings. So by default, with the power saving mode, if I'm correct, you might experience changes in how your notifications are being delivered or how frequently. So the device might, because I'm not necessarily sure, disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using it. So after you lock it, it will go after some time into sleep mode. When it does so, it possibly will limit the notifications because it is disconnecting from network. You might not be receiving any kind of notifications that require obviously internet connection. And there are two options. Either it's going to reconnect with network every period of time to check if it's missing something, or the less likely option is it's not going to do so as long as you're not using the device. But if you encounter that your notifications are being delayed, or you just start getting spammed with notifications when you actually wake up the device, this is to do with the power saving mode. In any case, once you're done using it, you can find the toggle once more, tap on it once again, and this will undo all the changes. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.